Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into a product that promises to make your cleaning experience easier and more efficient, the Gxzsk Handheld Vacuum. We found this product online, and you can find the link in the description below to check the latest price and availability. The Gxzsk Handheld Vacuum is a cordless, portable car cleaner designed to tackle a variety of cleaning tasks with ease. With a powerful suction capability of up to 15,000 PA, this handheld vacuum is equipped with an advanced high-speed motor, making it ideal for picking up dirt, dust, and even pet hair. It's not just for your car, it can be used throughout your home and office, keeping your spaces clean and tidy. One of the standout features of this vacuum is its impressive suction power. With 15,000 PA, it can handle tough messes and provide a thorough clean. Whether you're dealing with crumbs on your kitchen floor or pet hair embedded in your carpets, this vacuum can manage it all. The cordless design adds to its convenience, allowing you to clean without the hassle of a power cord limiting your movement. To enhance your cleaning experience, the Gxzsk Handheld Vacuum comes with a variety of professional accessories. It includes a suction nozzle for those hard-to-reach areas and tight spaces, a brush attachment specifically designed to pick up pet hair, and an extension hose that bends and stretches for cleaning corners and ceilings. This versatility means you can tackle any mess, no matter where it is located. Battery life is another crucial aspect of this vacuum, particularly if you're on the go. It features a robust 6,000 mAh battery that charges quickly, fully charging in just 3 hours. Once charged, you can enjoy up to 30 minutes of continuous power, giving you ample time to complete your cleaning tasks without interruptions. The built-in battery indicator light is a thoughtful touch, allowing you to keep track of how much power you have left. The Gxzsk Handheld Vacuum also boasts a dual filtration system, which includes a washable and reusable HEPA filter along with an upgraded coarse steel mesh. This design not only helps maintain strong suction by reducing the risk of dust clogging but also ensures enhanced cleaning performance over time. With a high-capacity dust collection cup of 520 milliliters, emptying and maintaining the vacuum is straightforward and hassle-free. Who is this product suitable for? Well, if you're a pet owner, a busy parent, or someone who frequently travels, the Gxzsk Handheld Vacuum can be a game-changer. Its compact design, weighing just 1.52 pounds, makes it easy to handle, and its cordless feature allows for quick cleanups in your car, kitchen, bedroom, or living room. Whether you need to clean up after pets, tackle crumbs from kids' snacks, or just keep your car tidy, this vacuum is designed to meet those needs. In practical use cases, think about how often you find yourself reaching for a vacuum for small messes. With the Gxzsk Handheld Vacuum, you can easily clean the interior of your vehicle after a road trip, remove dust from your office desk, or quickly pick up spills in the kitchen. Its portability means you can take it anywhere you need to clean, making it a versatile tool for any household. In summary, the Gxzsk Handheld Vacuum combines powerful suction, handy accessories, and a user-friendly design into a compact and portable package. It's perfect for anyone looking to simplify their cleaning routine, whether at home, in the office, or on the go. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.